Hello children, hope you all understood about the definition of desert, its location and the physical features and climatic conditions of the desert region. Today we will learn about how is the life of the people in the desert region. We have studied earlier that desert is a place where which is almost treeless and waterless, and due to scarcity of water and very less rainfall, here the life of the people is difficult and extreme climatic conditions we see in this desert region. Extreme means summers are hot and winters are cold. So because of this unfavorable climatic conditions, the distribution of population is also less in the desert region, and people here they try to live around the oasis. We have studied now what is an oasis. Oasis is in a place where in the desert where water, underground water comes up to the surface and it never dries up. So people try to live around this oasis for their living. And the main occupations of the people here are animal rearing and quarrying. 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 Quarrying means what? Quarrying is nothing but digging minerals or extracting minerals out of the earth. Children, when I was explaining about the southern plateau region, do you remember that I told some parts of Rajasthan also fall under plateau region? See, can you see the map here? This brown color marking is nothing but the plateau region in our country, Deccan Plateau or Southern Plateau. This is the state of Rajasthan. Eastern part of Rajasthan, you can see it comes under plateau region. So as plateau region is rich in minerals, even in the desert also we find some minerals, and extracting minerals, that is quarrying, is also one of the occupation of the people. And here minerals like copper, silver and limestone and mining also takes place, and marble rocks are also found in large scale. And here the life of the people is a nomadic life. What is nomadic life? Nomads are the people who will be moving from one place to another place instead of settling in one place. And mainly people who live in deserts, they move from one place to another place in search of food and water. Along with their cattle they will be moving. And I told you that handicrafts are nothing but the items or objects that are made by hand. So people they try to sell their handicrafts and they will be moving from one place to another place instead of having permanent homes. They are called as Banjaras. Banjaras, Banjaras. Then how do they travel? They use camels as their main transport vehicles, like that they will use, and they will be moving from one place to another place on camels. They travel on camels across the desert in groups called caravan. You can see in the picture like how they are going in a line with their camels. This is called as a camel caravan. And camels are very important. They play a essential role, or they play vital role in the life of the people in the desert region, because camels help them a lot, and it is called as ship of the desert because they use it for transporting. They will be moving from one place to another place using these camels. On these camels only they will be moving, and they eat the flesh of the camels, and with the hair of the camel also they make wonderful handicrafts. And camel is the only animal which can survive without water and can walk easily in the desert. Because of this reason it is called as a ship of the desert. And here agriculture is also developed recently due to the construction of Indira Gandhi Canal. Our government has solved the problems of the people in the desert region by constructing a Indira Gandhi Canal, or it is also called as Rajasthan Canal. Children, I told you when I was talking about northern plain rivers, river Sutlej, which is in Himachal Pradesh, and Bakranangal Dam is built on this, and Pong Dam also in Himachal Pradesh. These two dams provide water to the people in the desert region. So now the water problem has been solved with these two canals. And here it is difficult to lay the road, so you find only the transport system in some cities like Bikaner, Jodhpur, Ganganagar, Jaisalmer, Udaipur and Jaipur. Only these are only connected with roads and few railway lines, because here sand dunes are very common, no? So they cover these roads and railways, so it is not possible there. Only few cities are having the transport system over here. And people of the desert region, how do they live and what kind of life they lead? Here people are highly skilled in handicrafts. Just now I told you handicrafts means nothing but objects that they make by hand. So what kind of handicrafts they make? They make stone work, tie and dye. On cloth they will do this tie and dye. Embroidery work they do. Stone work, that is very famous work called bidri work. Jewelry making, everything. They are very skilled in these handicrafts, and they export these handicrafts and earn income. Our country also earns large income by exporting these handicrafts. And here the people are very fun loving. They enjoy their life, and love music and dance. And in Rajasthan, the dressing of men and women is also different. Like men wear dhotis, kurtas and colorful turbans. You can see in the picture a beautiful turban on the head. Even women also, they cover their head to protect themselves from sun. What do they wear? They wear gagras and cholis and bright odhnis also they wear. Colorful skirts and odhnis they wear. And here the mainly two religions are followed by the people, Jainism and Hinduism. And the language also that they speak is Rajasthani. There are folk dances. I told you just now that people love lot of music and dance, no? So Kalbelia, Chari, Goomar, Fire, Kachi, Gori are some of the folk dances of this Rajasthan. And the festivals are Teej, Urs, Gangur are the important festivals. And here Pushkar Mela and Cattle Fair are important festivals of this Rajasthan. Pushkar Mela is a mela where local people come and take a holy dip in the river, this Pushkar, that is in Ajmer district of Rajasthan. And Cattle Fair is a fair where cattle are sold. So these two are the important festivals of the people in this Rajasthan. And why this great Indian desert is an important? Let us see the importance of this desert region. The state of Rajasthan was ruled by Rajputs called Ranas. These kings who ruled the province have built numerous forts. Fort is nothing but a building or a castle they have built. So we find so many forts in the Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Chittorgarh, Ajmer, and these forts are a great attraction. So many people all over the world will come and visit these forts. And the famous temple of Jains, just now I told that Jainism is also one of the religion followed by the people. So Dilwara temple, which is built by the Jains, is a very great tourist attraction. And Mount Abu, a hill station, is also a world famous tourist attraction center. And here, as I told you, quarrying means digging, extracting minerals. So marbles and sandstones of Rajasthan are very, very precious, and they export these quarried items also to other countries. And here, though the large portions of desert are barren means which are not fertile. Barren is a place where we cannot grow crops. So, but this barren land is now transformed into a colorful fertile stretch because the Indira Gandhi Canal has solved the water problems of the people in the Rajasthan, and it is a great tourist destination, and it attracts all the tourists across the world, and is such a beautiful place to visit. Clear, children? Now we will read the lesson till where we have completed. Life in the desert region. Life in the desert region is very harsh because of adverse climate with extreme temperature, scanty rainfall and scarcity of water. Absence of suitable conditions to live affects the distribution of population in the desert region. People are settled mostly around the oasis where they can get water and carry out farming. The main occupations of the people are animal rearing and quarrying, as this region has marble rocks on large scale. The animals reared here are sheep, goat, camels and cattle. Due to the presence of minerals like copper, silver and limestone, mining also takes place here. Some people lead a nomadic life, traveling from place to place looking for food and their cattle and to sell their handicrafts. They do not have permanent homes. They are called Banjaras. They travel on camels across the desert in groups called caravan. Camels play an integral part in the life of the people of desert. They are the most suitable animals for traveling across the desert. They can live without water for many days and their padded feet enable them to walk in the sand easily. Camels are therefore called the sheep of the desert. Agriculture has developed recently due to the construction of Indira Gandhi Canal, also called the Rajasthan Canal. It brings waters of rivers Sutlej, Beas and Ravi from Bakra Nangal Dam and Pong Dam to the desert. These Pong Dam and Sutlej dams are in Himachal Pradesh. It is difficult to lay roads and railways in the desert because of the sand dunes that cover them. Only a few cities like Bikaner, Jodhpur, Ganganagar, Jaisalmer, Udaipur and Jaipur are connected by roads and a few railway lines. People of the desert region. People of the Rajasthan are highly skilled in handicrafts like stonework, tie and dye, embroidery, bidri work, that is stone carving, jewelry making, etc. Their handicrafts products fetch a large income to our country through export. A colorful and rich culture prevails in the desert region. Rajasthanis have a great passion for music and dance. In Rajasthan, men wear dhotis, kurtas, and colorful turbans. Women wear bright colored skirts called ghagras and cholis with odhnis. Both men and women cover their heads to protect themselves from the scorching sun. Jainism and Hinduism are the major religions of the people of Rajasthan. Important facts about the state of Rajasthan. The people of Rajasthan speak Rajasthani, Kalbelia, Chari, Gumar, Fire, Kachi Gori are some of the folk dances of Rajasthan. Teej, Urs, Gangor Mela, Pushkar Mela and the cattle fair are important festivals and fairs of Rajasthan. Importance of the Great Indian Desert. The state of Rajasthan was ruled by the famous Rajputs called Ranas. These kings who ruled the province have built numerous forts at Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Chittorgarh, Ajmer. These forts are of great attraction to the tourists from across the world. The Dilwara temples built by the Jains and Mount Abu are world famous tourist centers. Marbles and sandstones of Rajasthan are precious and the quarried materials are exported to other countries. Large portions of the dry barren desert land is now transformed into almost a fertile and colorful stretch. The desert land of Rajasthan is the destination of every tourist from all over the world.